Fuel Fest 2023. Just it's so crazy that the first Fuel Fest in 2019 that I went to was my first one, and we had 3 cars. We had 2 green Eclipses and we have the Spider Eclipse. So that was like a crazy thing for us to have like 3 Fast and Furious cars. Last year we had 15 cars. This year we have 25 cars. We have Leon's GTR from the first movie. We have Brian's Too Fast, Too Furious Camaro. We have Jesse's Jetta. We have Brian's Too Fast, Too Furious tribute car. We have Vince Maxima from the first movie. We have Suki's S2000 from the second. We have Mia's Integra from the first movie. We have Toretto's Supra. So this is a kick here because nobody knows what happened to the Supra at the end of the first movie. So assumingly Toretto went and painted red because he likes red so much on a JDM car, and that's the outcome. To the right we have Brian's Supra from the first movie. We have a screen used Diego's Porsche from the 5th movie. We have Toretto's 70 Charger next to the Supra. How iconic is that? We have Brian's Supra from the last movie. And then right here, we have the famous first movie, first race, 4-way street race. We have Brian's Eclipse, Edwin's Integra, Danny Emoto's Civic, and Toretto's. So this is the first time ever you're gonna see the 4-way street race line up next to each other. And this is just an amazing display that we were able to get. And aside from that, we have an overflow parking that we were able to get our 3 heist civics from our group members, Rich, Tiger, and another friend, David. And we even have another civic in the back that's a work in progress. He still needs to get the wheels on it, but we have that too. And then in the back we have Paul's Lightning from the first movie. Crazy. I'm super blessed to have here. It's amazing how far we came from 2019 with 3 cars to this with 25 cars. And we even have more cars that didn't make it. We have some duplicate cars. My green Eclipse is sitting over there with Hector from the first movie. Noel, he has his own booth. So this is a duplicate. We have it with him. And the guys have more cars back home. If you're in the area, if you want to join us, if you want to see the crew, check it out.
Fuel Fest 2023.
There you go.
We're here.
Sun came down a little bit. It's around 7 p.m. Damn, we started this day 7 a.m. We left the house got our pre-meet at 9. We rolled in at 10. The show just started at 2. The show was sold out. The amount of people that were here is insane, insane. We had a lot of people here, a lot of people admiring the cars. Cody, Tyree stopped by, checked out the cars. Everybody came by and were like, wow, you know? Not so much probably also about the cars, but just the display, you know? Where else in the world you're gonna see a display of 26 Fast and Furious cars all together? Replica, tribute, recreation, screen use, we pretty much have them all. I think it's the only place in the world where you'll be able to see the 4-way street race being recreated between the RX-7, the Civic, the Integra, and the Eclipse. Noel Hector from the first movie is here as well. Came by, checked out the cars, signed a few of them. It's just been a blessing, you know? If you weren't here, hopefully you can see that video and enjoy the footage of the cover of the actual show. And I hope to see you in the next one.